Today I'm showing you behind the scenes of this channel in my analytics for tutorials for entrepreneurs with Kelly Ann Smith. I just did a video that went up yesterday on going over the analytics for my main channel, Kelly Ann Smith, which has 45,000 subscribers. So now we're going to look at this channel with just 166 subscribers. We're going to look at October 2021's analytics. So here's my dashboard, and we're going to go to analytics and then go to filter for October. Okay, so for October, I had a total of 951 views. You can see there was definitely some spikes there for 121 views, but on average, it's like 13 to 30, 25 views. A couple spikes up here, 76, 37. Top videos this period. How to set up Flowdesk workflows for automation, 255 views. 37% average view duration. Freedom in a Budget Business Income Report, 207 views. YouTube Analytics for September, 78 views. How to Edit Listings in Etsy, 62 views. Best Time to Upload, 35, and you can see the rest here. Then we can see here reach. So impressions was 15,000 reach, which was up 266%, which is awesome. You can see that there's definitely pretty much the same spikes there. Traffic sources, top one is channel pages, and then YouTube shirt, suggested video, browse, external, and other. You can see our funnel over here. Impressions at 15.4 thousand, views from impression at 541. Watch time from impressions was 36 hours. External traffic sources, top one is Google, WhatsApp, Instagram, Yahoo search, and YouTube. Top playlists, uploads for entrepreneurs, Flowdesk tutorials, TubeBuddy, and Canva. Traffic sources, suggested, getting started with Flowdesk workflow, Flowdesk workflow. You can see these are other people's channels, which is great because then you can kind of see what your audience likes. And you can hover over them and see which ones it is. And these are really great information to see what your audience wants to watch. Traffic sources, Flowdesk. This is what people are searching. So Flowdesk is number one, Flowdesk tutorial, blog income report, Canva, and how to change YouTube name. And then click-through rate, 3.5%, which is down 29%, which sucks. Views, 951 views this month. And then unique viewers, so this is the unique people that watched. So about 300 people watched more than once. Is 643. Next is engagement. So watch time hours, 53.6 watch time hours. Average view duration is 3 minutes and 22 seconds. So you can see here the graph of when people are dropping off. So you can see that there's a pretty big drop off that happens right here. So this is where you want to really go back and watch your videos and see what you did here that you can do differently. This one, how to set up Flowdesk, a little bit of a dip here and then a big dip here at the end, but that's where my end screen comes in. Income, this one is a big dip in the beginning, which sucks. So I'm going to have to go back and watch and see why they're dipping so much here to keep that audience retention up, because I don't like that. How to enter a code and fetch words, kind of up and down. Top videos, you can see here for watch time hours, how to set up a Flowdesk workflow is 23.36 hours. Business budget report is 8.4 hours, 8.84 hours. You can see the rest here by end screen, top playlists, by end screen element, most recent upload, playlist, video, best for viewer and channel. Top iCards. Then you can see audience, so returning viewers, unique viewers, and subscribers. And then you can see 71% of my audience is not subscribed, so we want to definitely change that. Subscribe 28.3%. Top geographics is United States and then Nigeria, surprisingly. Most people do not watch with subtitles. All right, so let's go back to overview, and I want to go to 365 days because we are trying to reach monetization. So I need 4,000 hours of watch time and I have 161, so I still have quite a ways to go, but you can definitely see the upward trend, which is awesome. and you can see how it is definitely trending upwards and my watch time is definitely growing. And then subscribers, I need 1,000 subscribers, and same thing, you can definitely see that the subscribers are growing and I'm gaining subscribers faster than I was here in the past. So that is my analytics for my channel of 166 subscribers for my tutorial channel that I am growing.